Hola babes, ¿cómo estás? Muy bien. I hope I said that correctly, but welcome to my channel. I have another crochet video getting back to my roots. This time very exciting because I'm doing jumbo locks and I'm starting with freshly cleansed and conditioned hair, and I decided to do a separate tutorial on how I did the braid, so you can click at the top right to check that out or always expand the DB. So the hair that I'm using today are the Bae Locs by Bobbi Boss, and I actually went home to Indiana to visit my fam, and I just decided to stop at my local beauty supply store, and I saw these. I thought they were gorgeous. I've never had jumbo faux locs, and I loved that these came with already embellished pieces, which was really cool. These were $6.99 a pack, and they're fairly easy to install. Of course, they're pre-looped. The only con I can say about this hair is it is very shiny. So on your first couple of days of wear, unless you want to like go all in and, you know, not wrap your hair up or anything when you start, the hair is going to be like super shiny and look fake, but as you wear it, it'll start to look natural. So let's hop into this tutorial. Oh, wait, I forgot. We have this hair, the Freaches Go-Go Curl 12-inch. Also picked this up from the same store, and this was $4.99, and of course I'm using that, and I'm adding that hair in to create the bohemian effect. So yeah, of course, if you haven't seen the lock and hook method, this is how you do it. You get a lock and hook needle. I love this large one with the wooden handle. It's super sturdy and it's easier to grip than the like plastic ones, those cheap plastic ones. So you just pull the latch hook through, you open the latch, you attach the hair on the hook, you close the latch, you pull it through the braid, and then you grab the end of the hair and you pull it through. Just like so. Don't worry, we're going to do it one more time. So I'm pulling the needle through, open the latch, attach the hair, close the latch, pulled it through, put it back in, open the latch, grab the end of that hair, put it on the latch, close it, and I pulled it through. If that last part is difficult for you, you can always just take the hair off of the loop when you get to this part and like open the loop with your fingers and just grab the hair and pull it through and put it tight. So I didn't want too many embellished pieces, so I actually took off the yarn on most of the decorative pieces, which was really easy to do, which made it really versatile. So if you don't like the way they, you know, wrapped the yarn around a twist and you want it a certain way, you can always pull the yarn off and you can put it back on in whatever way you please. So on a few pieces with the yarn, as you can see right here, it was difficult to pull their hair through just because the yarn was so thick and then the loop was kind of constricted, but with a tad bit more time you can easily get it through. The part of just installing this hair was super easy. It didn't take a long time at all. It took me about, it was like 30 minutes, and then the braids of course took me about 45 minutes. Okay, all of the hair is installed. As you can see, it looks really nice. I did want to take off some of the bulk, so I actually went in and I pulled out a few pieces. And also I installed six packs, but I wish I would have gotten 8, because I had to like take out pieces and move them to like cover up the braids. I didn't have enough hair to cover up the braids, so good thing that it was a bit too bulky at the top so I could like move pieces around. It took me some extra time to figure out how to make that work, but I did. And as you can see right now, I'm just adding in a few of those Go-Go Girl pieces. So this was a little experience. This is the first time I'm doing these bohemian type faux locs with different curl patterns and like different textures of hair. So I went in and I started with small pieces, and then I wanted to see how it would look if I did bulkier pieces. But all in all, I just decided I'm going to put in thinner pieces and go in and trim them so they can, you know, blend in with the Faux Locs because they didn't really blend at first. So you can see me right here just pulling the hair apart, and I'm grabbing my scissors. I lost my hair scissors, so I'm using these like kitchen butcher scissors and just going in and like trimming the hair down so it can blend nice and seamlessly. And voila, the hair is done. Let me know what you guys think of this style. All in all, with the braids, it took me about 3 hours to install, which isn't bad at all, and this hair is gorgeous. I did end up taking it out a week later because I took a trip to Vegas, but I actually was able to save all of the Faux Locs, and I will install them again some other time. I highly recommend this hair. I'll include a link down below on where you can like check it out and get it, but again, I purchased this in my local beauty supply store. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs this video up if you enjoyed. Bye!